Hello guys, Mwakwaba. In case of say who say it's okay to upload a video to another channel and I say channel ye me no. So upload the same content. Video you boom say be you and I say enye you. So your first time watching me, you're from HY and you know exactly how to do it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you so like a video in mama. Yanko. And so be messaging me no busa say is it okay to upload the same content on different channels? Or just say the channels name you know, name no. So upload the video be performing very well. I want the first channel also to a second channel. So busam say, is it okay? So whether it's okay to upload that same video on different channels? Hano answers near me no. It's yes and it's no. Alright, so you know because say upload the same content. Once a your content no. Make sure say your content chrono. It was the same length, time length no. Pay. Because say 4 minutes, 4 minutes na. Make say video no. The language in the video, and I say anything about the video. Once some, me fancy video no. What can I change video no? You anything about the video at all. You do not change anything about the video at all. Yeah, you can't post that same video on another channel because the moment I will post it on another channel, it's mania a content ID strike and I say copyright strike. And also video chrono, you can't monetize that video. But yes, in case of self so upload that same content on another channel, the other say you should add something different and I say you should change the video. And you might a massive video are changing say make us say video chrono or record ye or cabrofo. Okay, ubetimi as I voiceover and I say ubetima translate that same video. Maybe I want to catch and I say it be a different language be a okay. And I say the background music I walk a video no ubetima son and I say it be a semi video we are me no say manfa audio account right. Two pa ubetimi de me person me post to the same content. I will be different channel. I met me the audio ato actually. And no, a man nanya a different video and I say different ID YouTube no so. And I say IBA on say video way at the beginning no manfa a video beyond sure, but in the beginning no maybe I'm a logo be a welcome be she hono man bibisa and also so be my video na different. And I say me pa so video now be say we to a different channel no. You should change the length of the video, which me say you see that so be record be aka home and I say obeti ye length no so. But my editing no way baby or share and we share here no everything. And to say that video no original video near 4 minutes but me up post to a year video no duplicate one no get 3 minutes. 3 minutes with maybe difference of say maybe a sound audio sound no what is a sound no make I say all the captions kakrebi at was here. Sebasa YouTube who say a different content and yet the same content and also will be out at the opening of your video no. Now the word can be as shall see now at the end of the video but so the word can be so as shall see nina and make it sad video no different from the original content that we create here. That's the only way you can post a different video on another channel. The question is no, you cannot post the same video original video no one share you cannot post on a different channel. The name is HY and you know exactly how you do it. It's a video where you're very helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I feel so. Watch the video now. Benamas, young call.